Okay, hey guys, what's up? Today I'm going to be making Louis Vuitton pants. By pants, I mean shorts. And by Louis Vuitton, I mean Walmart. But yeah, that's what I'm doing in this video, so everybody get excited, because you can tell that I am. This is the look that I'm going for. I'm inserting pictures, as you can see. And I have fabric paint, and I have brushes, and I have my stupid shorts. So yeah, we'll see how this turns out.
What follows is a brief construction montage.
Okay, so we have it all gridded out. And we have it set for like dark blue, teal, and light blue. And right now I'm doing the dark blues. So I'm gonna paint that and see how that goes. Okay, so here's the deal. So I got this done, but I'm not really proud of it, but what am I supposed to do about it? And it's getting really late, so I think tomorrow I'm going to add the logos and stuff like that on this side, and then we'll see what it looks like. Oh my god.
The following day.
I need to tilt this up. Okay, so it's day 2 of painting those shorts. It's day 2 of painting those shorts, and I have chocolate milk, and I have a hat. So, we'll see how this goes. This is what I have from day 1. So I've been working on this for like hours now, and this is what it looks like right now. It doesn't look the best. I'm still working on it. I just thought I would give you an update. This honestly sucks, so I'm never doing this again. It's the end of night 2, working on these things, and I'm almost done with the front, but I think I'll finish the front tomorrow, and then I have to do stuff at the back, which is fun. This is taking up a lot more time than I thought, so.
The following day.
Okay, so it's day 3 of working on these shorts, and I think today I'm gonna finish like the blue and stuff like that on the front, and I might be able to start putting the logos, and maybe start on the back, but who knows. I really thought this was gonna be fun, but it's really not.
The following day.
Hey guys, what's up? I look disgusting. Anyways, I think this is day 4 of working on these shorts, but I'm not quite sure. I should be able to finish the front today and maybe start the back. So this is the deal with the front. Jeez. So now I have to move on to the back, but it looks better than I thought it would.
The following day.
Okay, what's up guys? It's day 4 of working on these shorts, and I have the back pockets painted, as you can see, but I need to add like the logos and stuff like that on it, and then once that dries we should be done. So this took way longer than I thought it would, and doesn't even look that good.
The following day.
Okay, so these are the back pockets of the shorts. It's the next day. I think today's the last day that I'm working on this. I should get it done today. This process has been very annoying and tedious, and I never want to do it again. So yeah, after it's done, I'm gonna put it on and model it for you, because you know I'm a model and stuff like that. So everybody get excited for it to be done, because I know I am.
We hope you enjoyed this brief construction montage.
Okay, so here's the deal. They're done, and I honestly like the way they turned out. Not gonna lie, I will never do this again. So yeah, these are done now. I hope you guys like this video. If I even post it, I don't really know if I'm going to or not. But like, comment, subscribe, and all that jazz. Yeah, let me know if you want more DIYs in the future, because as you can tell, I'm really good at them. Bye.